Hey guys, it's Al with techmadeezy. Check this out. Greenworks Pro is getting into the modular toolbox game. This is actually called Pro Pack, by the way. And yes, the quality is better than Hyperstack, by the way. Now guys, this is $198. I'm also going to be showing you an XL Toolbox in a little while. Guys, you get one large drawer. You get two drawers, you get an organizer. These guys go on easy and come off easy. Look at the sides, by the way. What do you see? And check out the wheels, huh? Not bad. So guys, we're gonna jump in and check this out. And don't forget, $198. All right, guys, check this out. $198 for a drawer set that actually has metal on the side. I'm assuming for accessories. We'll talk about that. Right? Drawers actually made pretty darn good, to be honest with you. IP65. I guess in some areas, I have to check that out. I think it's just a top organizer because drawers, you really can't do IP65. I haven't seen it done. Now look at this. You get rubber wheels, guys. All right. You actually get, actually these are plastic. My mistake. They are plastic. They look rubber. They have really nice grip, by the way. And they've got some nice nooks and crannies if you look back here as to how they're made. That Greenworks green, which is nice, I'll tell you. I mean, this feels like rubber. I mean, it could be an overlay of rubber, to be honest with you. It has some flexibility. So, and again, a close look at the, I don't know if it's aluminum. It's probably aluminum. I don't think it's steel. This is really not that heavy. So you've got reinforced corners. You've got that crazy Greenworks green, which is nice. And let me put on my harness so we can kind of open some drawers and take the boxes off. So let's see how I can remove the organizer. First of all, I believe there's a mechanism here. You see that? If you push this in, I should be able to disconnect. All right, I want to see the locking mechanism. So it's interesting. Check this out. They've got two. Man, this reminds me of a certain company. They've got two that slide in the back. All right, two that slide in the back, and then you've got something. This is catching here in the front. So that's your locking mechanism. You take this and you're locked. It automatically locks. That's cool. Let's look inside the organizer and see. So you get, first of all, you do get that IP65 ring in a nice clear cover, by the way. So that's not bad. Goes right into this lip and creates that. You get, let's see, a little area to put some stuff because you got the hump, but they allow you an area. You've got removable bins, which is cool. You've got this big boy back here. You can take off if you want. Open it up. A little flimsy, but it goes inside. All right, you got organizers in there that you can use. So it's interesting. You could use this section, even though it's got humps. You can use this section, and then you can put that right on top. Now, if I take these bins out, you've got a removable divider. All right. So that's interesting. This stays here. All right. So later on, by the way, I will have measurements for you. I'm going to put measurements later on in the video. But close that. Some metal and plastic. Locks. Push in, comes off easy, by the way. Well, let's take a look at the other boxes. So, some thin plastic, obviously where your locking goes and catches in the front here. So you've now got a mechanism for the drawer. So you know, the drawer won't open unless you open the mechanism. See, there's latches here. And look at that. You've got some room. Drawer comes out all the way, so that's nice. I like that. You've got, what do you got? I wonder if we've got the, yeah, I don't know if these are ball bearing. They must be, though. They're very smooth. You know? Really smooth. I'll have to look that up. I'll put a note on the screen if I can confirm that. But you get 2 drawers. All right, so that's nice. All right, and then you get that same mechanism right there if you want to lift the box. All right, so, and then, oh, let me show you the sides. So you do get some handle areas here, like your hands can go in here and grab the box depending on how heavy it is, which is nice. The back of the box is pretty flat, as you can see. And just lift it up. Let's take a look at that next one. So that's your large box, right? That's attached to the handle, which, by the way, seems to have some aluminum. Press that down, it drops. I don't know if it's removable. I'll check that in a minute. That's a good question for a tonneau cover. Take the camera off. Now, let me see, I'm just trying to show you without shadow what we're looking at here. So this is a good look at the side. These are probably going to be for accessories, I would think. So the handle's removable. I guess the first time it's going to be a little tight, just so you'll know. But what happens down here, as you can see that I've already lifted it, but these plastic pieces here will actually lock in, keeping the handle in place. Now when you open them, you've got your foot, you can add your foot there and lift your handle off. All right, and we'll get some measurements right now so you can get an idea on what that size is for your tonneau cover, and I'll put that on the screen. Now, taking the handle out and putting it in is going to be a little tricky, guys. I think this has to wear a little bit, all right, because, you know, obviously it's not going to go in even, and what happens is this is now in, and I can close this and lock it, right? But this guy here, as you can see, isn't all the way down, and so you can't lock it. So it's a little fumbly, just so you'll know. I want to make you aware. I'm trying to see if I can bang that down. Okay, now I'm locked in. So it's good to know that that is removable again for people. Maximum handle height I will put on the screen. I'll also tell you that there's no rubber here, so you don't get a lot of grip, but I think your sweat is going to have some fun here for your sweaty hands, which obviously if you're working, you know, but again, I mean, the price point, you know, it's just a really good deal. I'll also put the measurement on the screen for when the handle's lowered. So I'll include all 3 measurements right now. Handle up, handle lowered, and handle removed. I think I forgot to show you the bottom drawer. So you do have 2 dividers, by the way. All right, that's pretty cool. Later on, don't forget, I will give you measurements for the drawer. I'll also give you measurements for these drawers as well. So at least you know what you can fit in them. And these are removable, by the way, these dividers. Now I did notice for the organizer there's a handle here that's tucked in. So you can pop that out and carry it that way. Or obviously you can use the sides. You've got, you know, areas here for your hands on the sides. So a little more of an update. Yeah, this is rubber. It's kind of like a layer of rubber that they put on top of the plastic. But yeah, This is definitely rubber. I was taking a closer look. I figured I'd let you know. And again, nice little nooks and crannies. It's made pretty well for the price point. I'll tell you, I'm pretty impressed. So let me go ahead and give you pricing and model numbers and some information. First of all, this is the 3-tier modular tool storage system. It's $198. I'll put the model number right there on the screen. They say this is made of heavy-duty construction and can even be used on a job site. So that's going to be interesting. Obviously, it's modular. I found it very easy to take off and put on toolboxes. The material is a polypropylene. Now, they do show some tools hanging off. I'll put that image up on the screen for you. I'm wondering, though, if they're going to make accessories and things that fit with those slots. That'll be really interesting. Now, the weight, 53.35 pounds for the whole set, 24.2 kilogram. I'll put the dimensions on the screen. Guys, this is made in China, and the warranty is a limited lifetime warranty. Now, let's go ahead and cover the ProStack XL Toolbox. So here is the XL box. Now, I wanted to put the XL box next to, obviously, the whole set, just so you could see how big it is, right? Now, this does have a really nice handle on the top, and it lays flat when you don't need it. So, nice handle. By the way, I did get an update that these are steel. These plates are steel and not aluminum, first of all. Now, let's take a look inside and pop these open. You can see here that you get a accessory tray included, right? And again, this is, by the way, IP65. So you get a really nice seal all around, right? IP65. Again, I'm going to put up some information on the screen so you know what IP65 is. All right, but you could see here, you know, some of those nooks and crannies that really make the boxes as strong as possible. Now, I'm going to include measurements towards the end of the video, so just, you know, be aware. I'll give you height, depth, and, you know, width of the boxes. But, you know, really nice. I mean, this, I believe, was $59.99. You know, $59.99. And on the sides, you don't have any additional handles, but you have a space for your hand. You got these steel accessory, you know, pieces. I guess they'll come out with some stuff down the road. I did put up an image earlier on, you know, an example of someone hanging a drill. I'll pull it up and put it on the screen for a minute. But the back, pretty flat. And this should lock, by the way, right on top of this guy here. So I think they all, yep, look at that. And we are completely locked on top, you know. So let me give you some information on this, all right? So let's give you some information on the XL box, all right? This is $59. It is called the ProStack XL Toolbox. It is made of a heavy-duty construction, and they say it can be used on job sites. That's what Greenworks says. It has an extra large capacity for storing tools and equipment. It's got the handle on the top, that I showed you earlier. It comes with the organizer tray that is removable. And this is made of polypropylene. And the corners are made of steel, by the way. I thought they were made of aluminum. Now let's talk about weight. So we've got 11.68 pounds or 5.30 kilograms. Now the exterior dimensions I'm going to put on the screen, but don't forget later on I'll be talking about the interior dimensions, which you want to know for the drawers. All right, so there goes the dimensions. Now this is made in China, by the way, and it does have a limited lifetime warranty. Now let me talk a little bit about locking the boxes. So the drawers don't have a lock option. Now will something come out down the road? I'm not sure. But the organizer has a loophole here So you can lock two sides, by the way. They're not steel reinforced, but you can put one here and one here. And this box here has the same function. This is the XL box. So you have two locking points. All right. Let's go ahead and give you some dimensions. So first of all, I'm going to give you the handle dimensions. All right. So with the handle all the way up, you're looking at 43.25 inches. With the handle down, you're looking at 31 inches. And if you remove the handle and put this under your tonneau cover, it's 15 inches. It's really not that bad. Now, let's talk about the two drawers for a minute. Again, we're talking interior dimensions. So I'm going to talk height, depth, and width for each drawer, all right? So you've got a height of 3¼ inches. You've got a depth of 12¼ inches. And you've got a width of 14½ inches. Now let's go down to the big drawer right there, the big drawer itself. Again, the internal measurements. We've got a height of 10 inches. We've got a depth of 12½ inches. We've got a width of 14.5 inches. All right. Now let's talk about the XL Toolbox. So in the XL Toolbox, we've got a height of 10 inches. We got a depth of 13 inches. And we have a width of 17.5 inches. So although the big drawer obviously would be nice, if you really need more room, that's going to offer you more room. So guys, I got to tell you, I mean, for $198 to get all of this, right? Or for $59 to get this, I mean, it's $260 for the full set, right? I mean, $260, you get steel on the corners, you get rubber on the wheels, right? This is not bad. And again, it's not hyperstack quality. This is definitely a step up. All right, I hope you enjoyed our review, and we'll see you on the next one. All right, guys. Well, thank you so much for watching our video. I sure hope you found it helpful. And if you did, give us a thumbs up. We'd appreciate that. I'm going to go ahead and put our social media up on top if you want to follow us. And you'll be able to subscribe to our channel by clicking this round TechMadeEzy logo. Guys, thank you so much and have a wonderful day.